Let's be honest. Most tents these days are either a pain to set up or just don't last more than a season or two. We've gone through our fair share, and when we first picked up this Ayamaya Pop Up Tent, we weren't expecting a miracle. We just needed something quick to pitch, roomy enough for family trips, and tough enough to take a beating out in the wild. Now, it's been 3 years since we got it, and we're thinking about sharing our experience with this one. So stick together, and let's begin. Now, if you hate messing with poles, hooks, and cryptic instructions, this tent's for you. Every time we opened it, we literally tossed it in the air like a big frisbee, and boom, it popped open, ready to go. No wrestling with tension rods or fumbling in the dark. Even after 3 years of folding and unfolding, the pop-up mechanism hasn't given us any trouble. The spring steel frame's still snappy, and we won't say like the day one. It held its shape quite well. That alone, in our opinion, makes it worth having on hand for quick setups. It came with almost everything we'd expect: stakes, extra guy lines, awning poles, everything. Now at first look, this might not resemble something very big, but interestingly, it's a 6-person tent, and we packed in 6 grown folks shoulder to shoulder with room left for gear. That 12.5-foot length by 8.5 width gave us enough space to stretch out, toss your boots, and still not feel cramped. One thing we've grown to appreciate is the little separated front area for gear and muddy shoes. Keeps the sleeping space clean, especially when the ground's soggy. The internal divider mesh also gives you some privacy or a pet corner if you're camping with critters. Over the last 3 years, we've camped in just about everything. Rainstorms, hot as heck summers, and one particularly gusty spring trip up in the hills. This tent didn't budge. Rated at 3,000 millimeters, the waterproof layer easily handled downpours. Think of it like having an umbrella that doesn't quit. The fabric, we'd say, is starting to lose its temper slightly, and it was expected at this point. But so far, it stood up pretty well through thick and thin. We staked it down with the included guy lines, and even during moderate to high wind blows, the stability seemed okay to us. We've definitely seen pricier tents fall apart faster. Now, ventilation is very important, especially for the summer camping trips. And gladly, this ain't one of those sweatbox pop-up tents either. With the front door, 2 windows, and that hooded vent in back, the air keeps moving. And that makes a big difference when you're camping in warmer weather. We'll recommend using a tent for maintaining the best airflow. The anti-bug mesh on every opening has held up great too. No tears, no sag. We did expect it to be saggy, but it's good to see that it held up well. We even hung a camp fan on the interior hook more than a few times, and it held firm without sagging. You wouldn't think little touches like that matter, but they do after your 3rd night in a row on the trail. We ain't gonna lie, it ain't the lightest tent out there. At just under 12 pounds, it's more suited for car camping or base setups than long-distance treks. But it folds down into a 2.8-foot circle and fits in its round carry bag pretty easy. Strap it on your back and, yeah, you might look like a ninja turtle. And it's not very convenient. Another thing that could be improved was the awning poles. We think the durability of these poles could be better. Well, for us, the zippers still work smooth, the mesh hasn't ripped, and the waterproofing still holds. We haven't babied this thing either. It's been stuffed in trunks, dragged over trails, and no frame bends, and no major wear so far. Sure, the carry bag's got a scuff or two. The poles are low quality, and some of the stake loops are a little stretched. But honestly, that's where we'd expect after a year, let alone 3. Now, the question is it worth it or not? We'd say, if you're someone who doesn't camp that often and needs something quick, durable, and roomy, this tent still is a solid choice. It's not for hikers, backpackers, or even campers who want to pack light. And yeah, it takes up quite some space in your trunk. But if you want a no-fuss setup, legit protection from the elements, and enough space for your crew, it's earned its keep in our kit. 3 years later, it's still going strong. And that's saying something. So that was our experience with the Ayamaya Pop Up Tent. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.